Hi, in this video, I'll be explaining what is braking distance of an object, or rather the time taken for an object moving with a particular velocity to completely come to a halt. And there is a certain distance that it covers before it comes to a halt. What is the distance and what is the significance? Let's say we are in a residential area and there are people crossing the road often, and you know pedestrians are there, and even people moving around frequently. Then if there is a car, you know, moving in this particular area, let's say it's traveling at this in this direction, and let's say somebody comes in front, and then there has to be a minimum distance that is needed to stop, and so accordingly we need to set the speed limit. Let's say you can go at 20 kilometers per hour or something like that. Then accordingly we need to determine what should be what at what distance we want to stop. We want to stop at let's say 3 meters or 4 meters. That's the average distance the car encounters a person approximately, and accordingly we need to set the speed limit. Let's say this is the situation, and so how do we find that out? So what is our objective? We see the car at this instant. At this instant, let's say it's moving at velocity u, which is the initial velocity, and we want the car to stop at this point before the pedestrian's location, which is the final velocity, and it has to stop. So final velocity is 0 meter per second, initial velocity is u. So if we look at this particular formula of kinematic equation, then we can say v square is equal to u square plus 2as, and if we substitute the values, we get 0 equals u square plus 2as. From this we can say that s equals minus negative u square by 2a. So this distance, or this s, the displacement, that is the braking distance. In a straight line motion, this displacement is same as the distance. So this is the braking distance.